Morning guys. Wala. Yung aming trees. Op. Na ano oh.
Oh, look at that one fell down.
I told you.
Oh.
Hatid kami sa school
You
naman.
sure it fell down or somebody didn't just...
Yup, we always like it. Guys, natumba yung isang tree namin sa harapan. So, kasi patay na din yun eh. Kaya natumba siya. Anyway, pakita ko sa inyo mamaya. Hindi ko nakuha ng video kasi yeah, you see this like kind of pool thing? Ayan, lumipad guys. Grabe.
What pool thing?
You know, it's like the plastic pool like for the kids.
Yeah.
It's right there by the fence. So
something must have came by and, like one of them little dirt devil thingies.
Right. Morning guys. Siyempre, as usual, maaga na naman kami. Kasi yan ang aming trabaho, maghatid sa mga bagets. So ipakita natin sa inyo mamaya yung trees na natumba ha. Let's go. Tingnan nyo ang wind guys. Grabe, Diyos ko.
Why don't you get a job at the school?
Kapag ganyan, maybe. Kapag ganyan guys, super windy talaga. Ayan.
Uh-oh, there's the
Guys,
tree.
ayan. Ayan na yung tree na natumba oh. Patay na din kasi yan eh.
That's the dead one.
Yeah, I know. Yan.
So it must...
A few moments later.
Naantay na namin dito si Kuya guys. Grabe kasi yung wind dito. Grabe. Talagang super windy talaga ngayon. So hopefully yung mga bagets stay inside. Yun lang ang problema dito kasi may super wind tapos ang lamig. But on the fall maganda, tapos spring, tapos pagka summer naman meron kasi ditong 4 season. Pagka summer naman is mainit, pero mas okay na yung mainit kaysa malamig kasi tingnan nyo, balot na balot. So wait na lang namin si Kuya kahit para mahatid na namin siya sa school para makatapos na ako ng aking pagkakape. Sabi?
Kind of.
Huh?
Kind of.
Got it?
Not really, but...
So cold.
I'm dragging it way over there. Too cold.
Nilagay namin dyan ang trees. Ayan. Kasi para dyan lang yan. Tingnan nyo. I will shut the garage. Tingnan nyo yung wind. Super windy talaga. Grabe. Oh. Tapos sabayan pa talaga ng lamig guys. Tingnan nyo yung trees. Pag ganyan siya, grabe yung niya. Super windy talaga. Tara, pasok.
A few moments later.
Ayun, tapos na ako ligpit ng mga... Inayos ko lang naman. Hindi naman talaga ako kasi naglinis. Inayos ko lang yung higaan nila kasi syempre wala na talaga silang time gawin yan. Although ginagawa nila like on the weekends kasi syempre maaga silang pumapasok sa school. So ngayon, muna ako magluto tayo ng breakfast ni Josawa. Alam niyo na guys, hindi pwedeng wala yan siyang kainin. Or iinit ang ulo. Charot lang. Hindi naman. Hindi naman yan siya ganyan. Siyempre, tayong asawa, iisipin din natin ang kakainin nila, di ba? So, ang kanyang breakfast, ang totoo, breakfast, lunch yan. Kasi, hindi yan siya masyado, hindi pala kain ba? Yung hindi gaya natin Pilipino na, kailangan talaga breakfast, lunch, dinner. Meron talaga dapat, no? Sila, ang ginagawa nila is, nag-i-snack sila ba? Nag-i-snack, good guys. Yung paunti-unti. Ganon. So, ngayon, lutuin na natin itong, oatmeal. Oatmeal ang kanyang, breakfast. Na parang lunch. Char. Anyway, guys, ayan, work mode. Work ang inyong lola. Although walang work, pero anyway, so yun na nga, kung nakita ninyo yung aking video kahapon ba yun na in-upload ko? Yes, meron akong pinakita sa inyo na bago kong binili para sa aking buhok. Para sa akin, mas okay to kaysa sa una ko talagang ginagamit. Kasi mas yung buhok ko, mas hindi siya mabilis mag-dry. Kung nakikita nyo, medyo pa siya. Medyo siya ba? Para siyang oily na, hindi siya oily ha, pero para siyang shiny ba na hindi siya buhaghag. Kasi syempre, pag kulot ang ating buhok, buhaghag talaga. So, maganda yung gamitin. So, umpisa ngayon, yun na talaga ang gagamitin ko sa aking buhok. 'Di ba? Kasi pag kulot yung buhok mo, kailangan mo ng buhok ng gagamitin talaga. So parang maganda yun, mas maganda yung gamitin. Although yung price niya, pareho lang siya ng price. So yung 1 bottle, sandali, ipakita natin sa inyo para hindi tayo more on yaw-yaw. Si Amo, upo-upo lang siya. Yan naman lang ang ginagawa niya, wala nang iba. Charot. Guys, ito yung sinasabi ko. Ayan, yung binili ko nung kahapon yun. Pumunta ako ng tindahan. Kahapon ba yun? Oo, ito siya. Maganda siyang gamitin. For me ha, para lang sa akin. Para sa akin. Mas maganda to gamitin. Pare-pareho lang to sila ng price. Binili ko to like 400. Kung 400 pesos, kung sa Pinas siya, ganito siya kalaki. 100 ml. Hindi siya gaano malaki. Pero konti lang gamitin mo, okay na siya, no? So, okay din to. Hindi to sponsored. Charot. Baka naman. Tingnan nyo yung bathroom namin, guys. Ang daming mga toys talaga ni Gabriel. Ito kasi yung ginagamit ko talaga. Matagal ko na itong ginagamit. Couple years ko na itong ginagamit. And, wala lang. Na-try ko yung isa. Although, okay din to gamitin. Kaya lang, kailangan mo siya consistent na ilagay para kasi yung buhok ko mabilis mag-dry. So may idea na kayo kung ano yung gagamitin niyo sa inyong buhok, no? I mean, kung gusto niyo lang naman na merong gamitin sa inyong buhok para hindi siya masyadong, dry, yung mga split ends, di ba? Pag ilagay mo yon, hindi talaga yung talaga yung split ends. Kasi ako talaga, yung hair ko is talagang very dry. Ito na yung breakfast ni Amo, guys. Ibibigay na natin sa ating jusawa. Kasi, oatmeal is very healthy for you. Oatmeal. Ooh, don't spill. My dear. He is my boss.
Boss hog.
Mix it. Mix it good. Ako guys, hindi ko alam kung ano ang aking kakainin ngayon. Actually, I'm still not hungry. I'm still full. So, maybe I'll wait till later.
Too cold out there.
I know, right? I'm trying to do like fasting, like before 12. Make sure kakain. No, like after 12, dyan ka nakakain. Hindi na ako bloated. Yung pag mag-fasting ka, I think it really works. Hindi ako bloated that time eh. Kasi pag too much yung kinakain ko, ang nangyayari pagkagising ko sa umaga, grabe, parang super tight ng aking katawan na parang ganyan yung aking face. Guys, magluluto ako ng kakainin ko ngayon. Gutom na ako eh. Antin ko pa sanang mag-12 pero parang hindi na kinaya ng aking katawan, talagang ano na yung tiyan ko, super gutom na. Tapos anyway, magluluto pala ako ngayon ng magluluto ulit ako ng turon and this bacon, yung binili ko kahapon. I'll be making bacon and egg as well. Kasi meron akong rice. Kada egg. Luto tayo. And then, so I decided to be in my pajamas still. Kasi, tinatamad ako ngayon guys dahil sobrang lamig ngayon. And this pajama is really comfy. Warm ka talaga. Kaya, alam niyo na. So guys, ito na yung aking brunch. Breakfast and lunch. Itlog at saka yung bacon lang. Yan lang naman. Ginamit ko yung spoon sa aking coffee. And of course, my favorite cup. Madumi ba? It's okay. Pangalawang coffee ko na to. As usual, I love coffee. So, bon appetit guys. Kain tayo. Busog. Konti na lang natira. Talagang bacon is good guys. Talagang nakakagana. Kaya lang, tayong mga Pilipino, pag ganito yung niluluto natin, rice talaga ang partner. Pero yung mga Amerikano, mga foreigner, bread, mga toast, mga French toast, mga ganon. So, yan ang kaibahan ng Amerikano sa mga Pilipino na, alam niya, pagdating sa pagluluto, may kaibahan talaga. At tayong mga Pilipino, more on rice, sila hindi. More on ulam. So, mag-ready lang ako and then pick upin na natin ang kids.
A few moments later.
Hulaan nyo saan na naman kami. Andito na naman kami sa paaralan. Siyempre, pasensyahan nyo na yung aking kasama guys. Paulit-ulit na lang yung kanyang suot. Talagang ganyan. Paborito. Baka sasabihin nyo hindi ko yan inaalagaan. Alagang-alaga ko yan. So guys, pag-usapan natin kung magkano nga ba dito sa dito sa amin sa abroad, ang binabayaran gastos namin buwan-buwan dito. Kasi 'di ba yung mga tao talagang sinasabi nila na kapag andito na tayo sa Amerika, marami na talaga tayong pera. Ang totoo naman talagang may mga pera talaga ang mga tao dito. Kasi nga, imagine naman kung yung sahod mo ang laki-laki, no? Laki-laki ng sahod mo dito, no? Tapos, dito ka nakatira, maraming mga job opportunity dito, no? Katapos, maipon mo, yun, kung malaki ang sahod mo. Pero kung regular lang yung ang sahod mo, hindi ko maisip kung makakaipon ka pa kaya. So babe, I have a question. So
yeah, I don't like questions.
oh come on.
They make me nervous.
This is about the people live in the US, the
They
monthly.
leave or they live?
They live.
You said leave.
But their monthly because people said that if you live here in the US, you are already considered rich. Is that true?
If you live here in the U.S.
Yes.
or live here in the U.S.
Live her in.
Liver?
Stop.
I'm just playing.
Okay.
I know what you mean.
All
If
right.
you live here in the U.S., that you are rich.
You're considered as rich. Is that true?
No.
How?
Well,
Why?
I mean, yeah, you have a good life, I think.
Mm.
You know, but rich means you can do a lot of things because of money. But it costs a lot of money here, so I don't consider you being rich, even though you have money you still have to pay money to pay rent, pay bills, food, blah, blah, blah.
So how much monthly is usually our monthly expenses?
Ours?
Yes.
That's none of anybody's business.
Just give an idea though. That way we can tell everybody that this is how much. No?
No,
Why not?
because
Because
you don't tell everybody what your expenses are and
sometimes you do
your
though.
personal financial situation.
You don't tell them one by one. It's just example. Like the total.
You can estimate about maybe 3,000 for food.
I
and
think it's more than that, right? Or no?
maybe
about-
4
Yeah.
with food and all the other stuff. 'Cause
Yes.
you eat a lot.
That's right. That's right, guys. So that's, oh, diba? So, mahal talaga din dito. So, lucky na lang siguro kayo kung meron kayong magandang trabaho, then makakaipon kayo, tapos makakabayad ng mga bills every month, no problem. Pero kung tama-tama lang yung sahod ninyo, talagang mahirap makapag-ipon. So, kaya yun, hindi lahat ng nandito sa Amerika may pera talaga, no? Ang iba, tama-tama lang din. Yung iba, tama lang na mabuhay. Right?
Salamat. That's the only word I know.
No, you have another
Okay,
one.
mahal kita.
There's more though. I teach you. After you say,
I don't want to say bad words.
no, after you say thank you, honey.
Salamat.
No, the other one.
Muchas gracias.
The other one, when you said thank you, right? There's another one you're supposed to respond.
I don't know that one.
Walang.
Wala naman.
See? Good job, babe.
A few moments later.
Guys, he's home. Here, eat this. We're trying to make him eat orange. Okay, here. Siyempre, guys, every time he come home, he likes to ask snack.
Hey, Mom, where's my tortilla
You forgot about
bread?
me.
Loy?
Mom, where's my tortilla bread?
That is tortilla bread.
That's tortilla.
Why tortilla cheese? No, it's supposed to be tortilla cheese bread.
Hi guys.
Keep this in the ref?
Mom, it's
No, I thought it. I have to cook that.
Mom, how
Yeah,
about
but
my
you don't leave it
tortilla
out once it's
bread?
thawed, right?
Tortilla
I will make you
cheese
eat, huh?
bread.
You don't leave it out once it's thawed, right?
It's just not thawed, for sure.
But it's warm. It's not even cold.
I will cook it right now. How's your day?
That's
Good.
what I'm
Ah, you have a great day. You're hungry. Guys, every time he come home, he asks for little snacky.
I want a little snacky. You didn't even make me a little snacky.
Of course I did, my amor. It's right there, oh. In the
But I
microwave.
didn't want that one.
What? You said you wanted.
You didn't hear me.
You're so picky. Guys, picky talaga tong
I'll eat it though.
taong to, guys. Ang sarap sa pakit.
'Cause you don't make them good.
Excuse me? Are you crazy or what?
Look, that's thin.
Tingnan natin kung may laman ba tong ano niya. Ay, wow. Nawa, nilagay. Ginawa niya sa school. Diba? Oh. Marami nang alam tong batang to. Marunong na siya magsulat na kanyang pangalan. Ayan. Ayan. Diba? Ang galing talaga. Wow. Galing. Yung jacket
Where'd the
niya.
other picture go?
Kasi if you want some snack, come and get your snack.
What picture, Dad?
The one that was over there. I put it over there.
Tingnan natin kung inubos pa niya. Meron, nagpapadala ako sa kanya ng extra baon, guys, in case hindi niya magustuhan yung nasa school. Kasi may free, merong free pagkain. Ayan, ubos. Gutom na gutom talaga siya, guys, oh. Yung 4 na 2 na lang. Bilis. Sit down, please. Please sit down.
No.
It's
Yeah, but why you say
It's not all.
Go eat chocolate, Gabriel. Please.
O is all. I thought it was an O. That's why. But it's.
Talaga ba?
Now I see the little tail that makes it a and then an eh. So where is the That's a That's a How come that's a little
E.
No. Ha.
H. A. T.
You got it. How do
Yay!
you spell map?
That's super hot.
No, sound it. Go. P. Map. So what is What is What is
Guys, lutuin natin ang
very hot.
ating turon. Today.
Very hot. Very hot.
Ayan na mga loves, kumukulo na po ang kanyang mantika. Tada! Ayan na siya mga loves. 4 pa lang yung naluto. So I decided, hindi ko na nalagyan ng asukal. Uy, kasi too much ng tamis. Try nga natin mag-lose ng weight. Asukal pa. Yung 4 pa dyan. O, ayan. Tapusin lang natin. And then, let's have some snack. For sure, Cassandra will love this one. Gusto niya kasi to guys. Eto na! Ang special turon made with bitterness. Guys, ito na yung turon nating niluto. Ang init lang. Parang hindi ko pa muna siya makain. Maybe you have to let it cool off for like 10 minutes. I thought na video ko yung Cassandra kumukha ng Turuan kasi gusto niya to eh. Hindi pala guys. Ay nako. Anyway, wala ang sugar kasi pampataba ang sugar. Diba? Bagay to kung may kape. Kape na naman, nagkape na ako eh. Kaya pala sobrang nervyosa ako. Cha! Okay yan. Kaya, talagang, yung lasa niya is really like, lasang Philippines talaga siya. So, doon kayo talaga bibili sa legit na Asian store. Alam nyo nagbebenta. Kasi, maraming mga, hindi talaga legit na galing sa Philippines ba. Ito, lasa talagang Philippines. Kain.
A few moments later.
Guys, prepare na tayo for dinner. So, I decided, mag-ano lang ako, rice and then some vegetable for Sawa and the kids. Little bit, guys. Tapos, yung baked tilapia na i-bake ko lang siya, guys, ba? So, para madali. Kasi sa totoo lang, guys, hindi naman talaga ako marunong magluto. Kaya, as much as possible, yung mga niluluto ko talaga is talagang simple lang siya ba? Para at the same time, masarap, no? Minsan kasi ang hirap hindi naman to the point na mahirap talaga. It's just pain kung magluto ako para sa asawa ko, magluto ako para sa amin. Kasi like I said, yung asawa ko, hindi kumakain ng Pinoy food. Hindi siya kumakain ng mga fatty food na kinakain namin. So, guys, ubos na yung bigas namin. Kunti na lang natira. Kasya pa naman siya for tonight. Pero, talagang bukas, kailangan ko talagang pumunta sa store. We usually go to Costco when we buy rice kasi nga, they have big bags, tapos not so expensive. We love to shop at Costco, guys, because they have like stuff na pangmatagalan. It's like, para kang bumili doon ng wholesaler. Parang ganun good. Kasi good lang yan siya pag, syempre may mga anak, ganun. Kasi pang maramihan yung mga stock nila doon. Punasan lang natin to para hindi siya basa ba. Last time, nung niluto ko is yung tilapia. This time, ito naman yung breaded cod. Yung cod, para lang din siyang tilapia or salmon, ganun. Para mga ganyan lang din ang lasa, guys. Isda lang din. Parang bago lang siya sa ating tenga, di ba? Cod. Yan lang natin siya ng foil, guys, para hindi mag-stick yung fish ba. Palagi itong ginagawa eh. So, ito, madali lang siya. So, preheat oven for 25. Ano naman? Gusto ko yung mga pagkain na frozen, guys. Yung meron siyang, ziplock. Yung pag-open mo, pwede mo rin siyang i-close balik. Yan ang gusto ko sa mga pagkain. Yung iba kasi wala eh. So, I have to put it in my ziplock bag. Para ano ba? Para hindi ko siya mag-stick. Kunti lang naman. So, bali ito na yung kakainin naming lahat, guys. With a little bit of vegetable and kuan. Pwede na. 6 lang naman ang lulutuin ko. Kasi, medyo malaki yung siya na medyo, 7. I will be cooking 7. And then, we're gonna preheat the oven. So, let's preheat the oven, guys. Siyempre, bake yan siya. So, it says 425. So, ayan. Let's start. So, wait na lang natin na mag 425 siya and then it will make a sound. That means it's ready to go. That's the time ilalagay ko na yung tray. Let's wait. So, while waiting, guys, i-close muna natin ang mga blinds namin kasi it's getting dark outside. Alam niyo ba, guys, na kung hindi ako nakarating dito sa Amerika, hindi ko alam paano gamitin ng oven, hindi ko alam paano gumamit ng mga air fryer na yan, mga dishwasher na yan. Yan. So, advantage din ang pagpunta ko dito sa Amerika, no, nung dinala kami ng, ngayon ay asawa ko na, kasi marami akong mga natutunan, guys. Syempre, no, pang ano lang naman yan ng mga bagay, pang may pera ba? 'Di ba? Mahirap naman tayo, so, syempre, walang mga ganito kami nung growing up. Wala kaming mga ganyan na mga bagay, kasi mahirap nga lang kami. So, pero right now, no, nasasanay na akong gumamit. Yung first talaga na dating ko dito, talagang syempre, ignorante, hello, taga-bukid. But, you know, little by little, I started learning all the stuff in here, around our house. Kasi syempre, yung asawa ko is very helpful. At saka, talagang, tinuturuan niyo ako sa lahat. And then, magmula, sa lahat-lahat talaga, guys. Like, mula sa paggamit ng mga dishwasher, paggamit ng, air fryer, paggamit ng oven, paggamit ng microwave, pang coffee. Di ba kasi social ang mga gamit dito sa Amerika? Compare sa atin sa Pilipinas, di ba? Siguro sa iba nakakagamit yan, but like I said, I grow up on syempre, mahirap ng family, so we don't experience that kind of stuff na na-experience ko dito sa abroad. So, yeah, I'm happy kasi may mga nalalaman din ako mga kagamitan. Akala mo naman kung ano talaga nalalaman, kagamitan lang para, uy, pero at least I'm happy na may mga nalalaman na akong mga paganorn, mga dryer ng laundry, na noon, hindi ko alam yan, hindi ko alam paano paggamit, So yeah, my husband, he teach me everything. Of course, siya lahat nagturo sa akin. Tapos, syempre, sa pagdadrive, guys, siya ang very hands-on sa lahat talaga nung nagdadrive ako. So, when I'm starting learning how to drive, siya talaga yung nag-ano sa akin. So, di ba? Pagdating ko dito, wala akong alam. Pag alis ko dito, may alam na ng konti. Ilagay na natin si Kad ng makadkad. Yes. Yan. Tapos, sabi 25 minutes daw. So, mag-alarm ako ng 25 minutes. Start 25. Boom. Cassandra is done shower, guys.
Tomorrow is Friday. Friday.
And then it is
The weekend.
plus
Plus what? What is happening after?
vacation on Monday as well. Remember, it's holiday. So guys, it's gonna be like 3-day weekend dito para sa kanila. Buti naman guys, uy, nakakapagod gumising. So that's good. Monday is off. Kiddos are off, guys.
A few moments later.
Guys, ito na yung dinner ng asawa ko. Unahin muna nating ibigay yun. Pabigay natin kay Kuya Kent. Say hi.
One plate?
Hold in the bottom. Kasi,
Why not 2 plates?
huh? Here. Kasi para yung gulay, guys, hindi siya mag-fold. And then, para na din sa kanila. Syempre guys, hindi pwedeng, not bad. It's like, parang din sa salmon. Isdang isda. So how's the cod fish? Do you like it? Alright, it's good, huh?
Mm-hmm.
How's the codfish? Good? Let me see your con. Oh, yeah. So when you play sports, it will happen. But next time, you have to be careful, okay? Huh? So the cod is good. That's a codfish. You like it?
Yeah.
Hindi na sila nag-vegetable, guys. So, codfish is good. Boom. Ilagay sa listahan para mabili next time. Hello! Somebody just... Oh! Is he awake? Did he take a nap or no?
Yeah, he took a nap, but I'm waking him up because he won't go to bed tonight.
Hello, Gab. Gabi. Eat? You want dinner? Guys, ginising siya ng kanyang tatay. What, Gabe? No, what happened? Gabriel? What happened, Gabriel? Gabriel? Let's go. Whoa. Guys, he's so mad right now because his dad's trying to wake him up. Where are you going? Where are you going? Kasi nga, guys, pag matulog yan ngayon, wala na. Pag matulog to ngayon, wala na. Buti sana kung straight yung tulog nito mamaya. Good night, Gabe. Let's change your clothes real quick. Huh? Yeah, we have to change it so you're comfortable.
No.
Yeah. Okay, let's do it.